Hi and hello there, Libra. Welcome new subscribers. My name is Yan. Sa aking returning tambayers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love and support for me. At kung hindi nyo pa knows, mayroon pa tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. So if interested, just click that link para kayo ay mariredirect doon. At araw-araw ay nag-upload din tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At yun nga, wala tayo rito no, na term period, kaya naman just take only what resonates, no? So, ang ating gagawin for today, no, is yung no contact situation. So, tingnan natin kung sino rito, no, yung mahagip nating 1 to 2 energies right here, no, na most clinging sa inyong energies, no. So, kung sino man tong mga mahagip natin dito, just take only what resonates, guys. Cross watchers ni Libra, welcome ka rin. At may Libra placements and natal/birth chart, welcome din kayo. So, let's go ahead and check this no contact situation right here. Archangel Michael, Angel, guys, can we get messages right here for Libra, please? Thank you so much for your presence. Possible movements, actions, whoever it is, most clinging into Libra's energy, can we please get some information from you? Possible thoughts right at this very moment, possible plans, actions related with Libra in the future. Can you please show me? Libra. Okay, let us see Libra energies for you today. So we have here for you guys 7 of Mirrors or the 7 of Swords energy. We also have here the Lovers. Present din dito ang 8 of Rings or the 8 of Coins. Possible rin no, ang energy ng 4 of Flutes, 9 of Flutes, 5 of Mirrors. Bottom of the deck, we have here this 7 of Roses in reverse. We also have here the 2 of Rings in the Rose ceremony. Okay. For the no contact situation, whoever this energy is, it looks like here, no, this is someone here na gusto ka niya ritong kontakin actually. Kung pwede nga lang ngayon na. Kaso, hindi niya alam dito kung ano yung sasabihin niya. Yan. This is the energy here of someone who is longing for you, missing you so much, Libra. Kaya naman kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this person here had hurt you so bad, no, in the past. So this person here is someone now with the reflection, you know. This person here is mukhang nare-realize niya na no, ng major ang kanya ritong pagkakasala sa inyo. So with the 4 of Flutes, it looks like time ay already passed, no? At nakita ko rito na may mga times no na hindi talaga kayo rito nawala sa isipan niya, no? Kahit ni minsan siya ay nagwo-work, no? Para pa rin kasama niya kayo sa kanyang isipan. Okay? So, buhay kayo sa kanyang isipan or sa kanya ritong memories or alaala, no? So, with the lover's energy, I do pick up that this person here is someone, no, with the 9 of Flutes energy. This person here is someone who reminisce so much sa inyong mga pinagsamahan, no, bilang lover before, no? Lovers kayo before, lover mo siya before, no? And with the fantasy suites, this person here, no, is imagining or daydreaming, no? Right now, nakakahiya man sabihin yun, kaya nag-react ang ating throat chakra ngayon lang, no? Kasi parang this person here don't want me to tell you guys, no, na hanggang ngayon is ini-imagine niya pa rin, no, na sana ay magkaroon kayo ng another chance to be with each other. Yan, no? But with the Seven of Mirrors or the Seven of Swords energy for the wrong reasons. Yan, no? Kalagay pa nga dito, wrong reasons. Ibig sabihin meron siya ritong bagay na nagawang hindi katanggap-tanggap noon, no? And with this bubble or dialogue right here, no, it looks like this has something to do with online. This has something to do with connecting with other people online, might be chatting with other people online, no? And it looks like this person here ay nagkaroon ng reflection na mali yung kanyang nagawa way back before, no? At kung sino man tong energy na to, no? This is something here na na-figure out niya, no? Na dapat ay hindi niya ginawa. So, this thing ruined your connection. Maybe you've found out, no? Na yan, na meron siya rito mga ka-chat, kausap na iba. No? Alam niyo naman sa online world, di ba? Uso na yung mga ganyan, no? Mas madali na ngayong kumunik, di ba? So, nakita ko dito na kung sino man tong energy na to, whether this person right here is someone who did that online or might be through texting, no? Yung mga GM, mga ganyan, no? Mga message na ganyan. So, nakikita natin dito, na-realize niyang mali yung ganyang gawain, no? So, dito parang lumalabas mga babes, no, na meron siyang compliment na sinasabi dito. Ikaw raw ay mabait masyado, no, at mapagpasensya, no? Pero, nagawa niya ito sa inyo. So, with this camera guy right in here, this person here is reminiscing right here your past, remembering right here, no, all of the things that you've done together, no, yung mga pasyal moments, those sweet escapes ninyo. No, yung iba may nakita tayo dito na parang yung iba may specific sign and clue. Baka nung nag-aaral pa kayo, no, nung naging kayo, no, may ganong klase na energy, no, someone here wears uniform. It could be school uniform, university uniform, just like how this resonates, no. Maybe yun ay clue for someone watching, no. So just take only what resonates. Pero more likely, ang pinapakita rito, Libra, no, is this person here with the camera guy is stuck sa inyong mga memories together. Gusto niya kayo ngayong kausapin, kontakin, kasi hindi niya alam kung ano yung sasabihin niya. Five of Mirrors energy. And with the Seven of Roses in reverse position, this person here, I'm not seeing anything dito, no, na nagsisinungaling siya, like wala sa'yo, no? Wala. So, kung sino man tong energy na to, nakikita ko rito, no, na ngayon, wala akong ibang nakikita siya ritong kakunik. Ngayon, kung meron mang ibang gusto rito o nagkakagusto sa kanya, hindi niya pinapansin yun. So, with the rose ceremony right here, nakikita ko rito, no, na itong person na to, no, is kahit sino pang ma-meet niya rito, iba pa rin talaga kayo, no. So, I'm getting the permission right now to look at what's next right here, no, and we have here the opening up. See, look at that. See? So, we have here someone here na posibleng kontakin kayo, no. Look, this is roses right here, no? And meron ditong natatanging rose, yan, no? So, nakikita ko na kukontakin kayo nitong tao na to, i-open up niya sa inyo ang lahat ng kanyang feelings pa rin for you guys, no? And I think I'm picking up right here that this person here could be wanting na humingi ng another chance right here for you guys, no? And this time will be balanced. This time will be sweeter, and this time wala nang anything wrong. Yan, no? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this person here believes that you're destined for him or her, no? Dahil nakikita ko na kahit may iba sa inyo, you're already separated na medyo matagal-tagal na. Iba yung mapakakahulugan natin dito na matagal-tagal na, no? Pero, this person here still longs for you. This person here, every day he's thinking about you. This person here is every day trying to build courage to text, to chat, to call you, pero hindi niya magawa. Yan, no? Okay? Dahil nahihiya siya, wala siyang lakas ng loob. Pero nakikita ko matatapos din yan because I'm seeing that this person here, you know, lilipas dito yung mga buwan. Okay? Yun nakikita natin dito, mga buwan, no? At nakikita ko na itong person na 'to ay kokontakin pa rin kayo rito with the opening up right here na because with the number 8, it's an infinity symbol 'no, kapag yan ay pinahiga mong number 8 na yan, you will get an infinity symbol. And this is final to right here. This person here believes that you're still destined with each other. So parang meron pa rin siyang kahit na ano sa kanyang heart dito 'no na nagbibigay ng konting pag-asa na siya ay mapapatawad mo dito at bibigyan ng pagkakataon, 'yan 'no. And this is pinky swear right here. This person here believes 'no na you're destined with each other and yung red knot na lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo na ay nakatali sa pinky swear. So talagang naniniwala talaga siya 'no na kayo ay for each other, Libra. So kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, this person here is waiting for some kind of a right timing and this person here is hoping na mapatawad mo siya and start all over again. Yan. Kaya naman kung sino man tong energy na to, no, yun ang kanya rito pinakahihiling. At kung tatanungin ninyo ako kung wala bang bahid yan na anything na pagsisinungaling lang or walang trueness sa sinasabi niya. Well, kitang-kita natin dito walang bahid ng pagsisinungaling at trueness lahat 'no ang kanyang sinasabi dito. And you yourself 'no will be witnessing that kapagka nagkaroon na kayo ng connection ulit 'no. Don't worry about the movement. This person will text you, call you, chat you 'no or visit you 'no or puntahan kayo, siya ang gagawa ng first move, 'yan. Kaya kung waiting ka sa movement nitong tao na 'to 'no, kahit wala kang gawin diyan, siya ang gagawa ng unang move. So yeah, ito yung mga messages right here for you guys for the no contact situation, Libra. Thank you, Sarang Heo. Again, I'm Yuriana Oni for the girls in Yana Duna for the boys. Sarang Heo, love and light. And